Make a great choice today with the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, all-wheel drive, backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.